Okay, so hey everyone. So my camera's buggered, so I've got this one instead here today. So this is a bit of a random video since I'm pretty much going to try and get back to the Tuesday and Friday schedule of posting. So what I thought I'd do here is just go through some random shit. So let's just make a start. So this is currently my favorite sunscreen, and this is by Sunscreen. It is SPF 50 Oil Control. And it's excellent. So I'm going to say it's excellent, right? I'm going to get in. So my skin's pretty oily, right? But I applied this at 8 o'clock this morning. I haven't touched my face, and it is 3:23 in the afternoon. I need to do touch-ups with this, but it is very, very matte when it goes on, and it does stay that way for a while. There is a couple of issues with it. The main one is that, like, the first ingredient or whatever is it's alcohol. But if you don't care about that, I don't. I'm fine with it. It's very, very good. There was an offer on recently. It was £10 in Boots. I tried to order 20 of them and they wouldn't let me. There you go. So the next product, shall I show you this one first? Because this is the most outrageous price you've ever seen. Look at this. That, my friends, is the brand new Lima Laser. And let me turn it on. Oh, you can feel the power from here. You can feel the life-giving power. So that is the Lima Laser. This is the Lima Laser Pro. You only need to use this for 3 minutes on each targeted area. And apparently it will turn back the time and make you look prepubescent. So I'm going to give it a 3-month trial. I won't tell you how much it is. You can Google it. It's outrageous. Okay, the next one, or shall I show you something else? Oh, secret. So the next things that I've been using is, I'll talk about this one first because it'll kind of go hand in hand. So I'm still using Clearer here, and Clearer is, that's not Clearer, honestly. This is Clearer. Clearer is a prescription strength retinoid. I'm still using this every single night, and it's been wonderful. It's on the more pricey side of the retinols, but it has been absolutely wonderful because the base is specific to you. So you can have it very moisturizing. It's great. So here's something I have bought. This is from OneSkin, and this is the face. This is the eye, and this, my friends, is the body. Now, if people at OneSkin are thinking that I'm going to use this on my body, they're sorely mistaken. I'll be using it on my face once the face and the eye have run out. The funny thing with this product is, other than the fact that I don't know what I'm meant to see, and I haven't seen anything yet, but I can tell you it's very, very moisturizing. For a cream this thin, it is incredibly moisturizing. Now I'm just combining these two together, 2 pumps of this and 1 pump of the eye, combining them together and slabbing them on my face after I've used my prescription retinoid. I haven't had any peeling or dryness or redness, and I've moved up a strength in Clearer as well, so that's pretty impressive. And the body is huge. It's 250 mils. And once these two run out, I'm going to slap this on my face too. If it's good enough for your body, it's good enough for my face. So I also repurchased the Let's Face It from Shake Up Cosmetics, which is a tinted moisturizer specifically geared towards men, but it's universal. I did a video on it before. It's very good, very sheer, very, very beautiful. Here's something funny as well that I noticed a lot of comments, and I actually really like the comments because I'm very fond when people are very, very passionate and fond about people's brands. And that was with regards to the Lisa Eldridge and her beautiful face tint. And in that I did a little series, and in that series it was really to do with comparing Lisa Eldridge's tint with also comparing Anastasia Beverly Hills' new kind of deodorant stick for the face, and then I compared it to NARS Sheer Glow foundation. And for me, the winner was Sheer Glow because you could use a fraction of the amount and get the same effect. But people were saying that, but it isn't a really fair comparison because Lisa Eldridge has a lot of skincare benefits. It's skincare infused, and that's absolutely correct. So I just want to show you something completely unscientific. This is NARS, and this is great. This is their light reflecting foundation. It's really good. I'm going to apply 1 pump into the palm of my hand, and I'm going to apply 1 pump of skincare, and I'm going to mix them together. And now I've got a wonderful hybrid of both foundation and skincare. I'm not trying to be flippant, I'm really not. I love the fact that so many people are passionate about that product because it's an excellent product. But you can combine your skincare with your foundation to create something similar. This is really aimed at those of you who want the benefits of both foundation and skincare, but don't necessarily have the available funds to go and buy these Aldridges. You can always combine them. Finally, completely more random, but as many of you know, I've had stomach issues for a while, and I try and search for products that will work. Now, a lot of them work really well, and I've talked about them, and they still work, but the issue is that with prolonged use, they give me headaches. Now, it seems that the main ingredient in these that is giving me headaches is the peppermint oil. Ironically, that's what works the most for me in my stomach to make it feel much more pleasant. Just spat there, and I apologize if you saw that. So for those of you that don't have any issues with peppermint, and I've tried another one. So this is a brand called, and I bought these, it's called ZenWise. This is a digestive enzymes. It also has a probiotic, and it does have the peppermint leaf in, which is what causes me troubles. And it does cause me troubles. It gives me horrific headaches that don't go with when I take something like ibuprofen or anything like that. They just linger, they're not pleasant. They've also got a no bloat one, which doesn't have the peppermint leaf in. And I've now given it a bit of a break to see if it's going to cause headaches or not, because it's difficult to know. But both this and the no bloat made a massive difference to the way my stomach feels, and able to digest and process food and not be bloated or have the twisting and the pain going on. If anybody knows of any other supplement out there that helps with feeling, very uncomfortable in your stomach after you eat, I would love to know, because these work great, but the headaches are really bad. The same as a product I talked about before, Astaxanthin, something like that, I spoke about a while ago. Excellent, gave me really bad headaches with prolonged use. That's about it for this random video. So wish me luck looking 12 years younger. Look at the power. Oh, and this, so I've got this on my desk. This is what I used to trim my beard. I've now trimmed it to a level 8, people, because it was a level 17 and I started to look a little bit homeless. So I've popped it on to a level 8. What do you think? A bit longer, a bit shorter? I'd love to know your thoughts on it. And I'm sorry if this video looks a bit crap because of the camera and everything. It's on one of these tiny little ones, so I don't know how it's going to look until I edit it. It looks all right in the camera, and of course I realised that I'm not actually looking at the camera the entire video. So I'm sure you're going to comment. I'm sorry. Thanks very much, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.